Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. For all Monopoly Go game enthusiasts, today we will show you how to find your user ID number. The user ID is an important part of your profile, and through it, you can connect with other players of this game. Let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Then click on Play with Friends or Play as Guest. I will play as a guest this time. If you are already logged in, this previous part will not be shown to you. Now let's move on to the process. Click on the three lines in the upper right corner to access your profile. Then open the Settings field at the bottom of the window. Here you will find the profile settings. But that's not all. At the bottom of the window, you will also find your user ID number. It is a 9-digit number. Long press on the number to copy your ID number for later use. Now you know where your ID number is located. If you liked the tutorial, subscribe to our channel for more similar tips and tricks.